everyone, it's Michelle Fan. I'm thrilled to welcome you to a new adventure in the world of hairstyling. Today, we're diving into something truly special that I believe will revolutionize the way you practice and perfect your hairstyling skills. Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on the WeiRan Mannequin Head with hair. This isn't just any mannequin head, it's a versatile and indispensable tool for anyone passionate about hairstyling. Whether you're a seasoned stylist or just starting your hair journey, this mannequin head is an amazing tool. It offers a realistic experience that helps you hone your skills and build confidence in your techniques. It's perfect for practicing new styles, experimenting with different looks, and perfecting your craft. Imagine being able to try out that intricate braid or complex updo without the pressure of working on a real person. Let's dive in and see what makes it so special. The WeiRan Mannequin Head is designed with high-quality, lifelike hair that mimics the texture and feel of natural hair. This allows you to practice with the same precision and care as you would on a real client. This mannequin head is a game changer for anyone who loves to play with hair. It's durable, easy to use, and incredibly versatile. You can wash, cut, color, and style the hair just like you would with natural hair. It's like having a patient, stylish friend who's always down to try something new. No more worrying about making mistakes or running out of willing volunteers. The WeiRan Mannequin Head is always ready for your next creative idea. Get ready to unleash your inner hairstylist, and let's explore all the fantastic features of this must-have beauty tool. From basic cuts to advanced styling techniques, the possibilities are endless. So grab your tools, get inspired, and let's make some hair magic happen together. Let's talk about the star of the show, the hair. The WeiRan Mannequin Head is not just any mannequin head. It features hair that is both gorgeous and incredibly functional. The WeiRan Mannequin Head boasts high-quality, heat-resistant synthetic hair. This synthetic hair is designed to mimic the look and feel of natural hair, making it perfect for practicing various hairstyling techniques. This means you can safely use heat tools like curling irons and straighteners to create a variety of styles. Whether you're aiming for bouncy curls, sleek straight hair, or intricate updos, this mannequin head can handle it all. Remember to always use a heat protectant spray before applying heat. This step is crucial in maintaining the integrity of the synthetic hair and ensuring it remains in top condition. Start with a low heat setting and gradually increase it if needed. This approach allows you to find the optimal temperature for styling without causing unnecessary damage. This will help prevent damage and keep the hair looking its best. Regular maintenance, such as brushing and using the right products, will ensure that the hair remains smooth and manageable, making your styling sessions more enjoyable and effective. With the WeiRan Mannequin Head, you have the freedom to experiment and perfect your hairstyling skills. Its heat-resistant properties make it a reliable tool for both beginners and professionals alike. The hair on this mannequin head is incredibly realistic. It's soft, smooth, and has a natural thickness that feels like real human hair. With its generous length, you'll have plenty of room to practice all sorts of styles. From sleek ponytails to elaborate braids, the possibilities are endless. The realistic texture allows you to perfect your techniques and achieve professional-looking results. The WeiRan Mannequin Head comes with everything you need to start styling right away. Whether you're a professional stylist or just starting out, this kit is designed to meet all your needs. It includes a sturdy table clamp that securely holds the mannequin in place. This clamp is easy to attach and ensures that your mannequin head stays put, allowing you to focus entirely on your styling without any distractions. This allows you to work comfortably and efficiently without any wobbling or slipping. The stability provided by the clamp is crucial for achieving precise and intricate hairstyles, making your practice sessions more productive and enjoyable. You'll also receive a set of braiding tools, making it easy to create intricate braids and updos. These tools are designed to help you master various braiding techniques, from simple 3-strand braids to more complex styles like fishtail and waterfall braids. The mannequin head itself features a realistic head mold with clearly defined parting. The lifelike texture and appearance of the hair make it an excellent tool for practicing different hairstyles and techniques. This makes it ideal for practicing different parting techniques and creating symmetrical hairstyles. Whether you're working on straight, curly, or wavy hair, the mannequin head provides a versatile platform for honing your skills and experimenting with new looks. Additionally, the kit comes with a variety of hair accessories, including clips, bands, and pins, allowing you to add the perfect finishing touches to your styles. These accessories are essential for creating polished and professional-looking hairstyles. The hair on the mannequin head is also easy to wash and maintain. ensuring that it stays in great condition for repeated use. You can practice washing, conditioning, and even coloring the hair, making it a comprehensive tool for all your styling needs. Whether you're using it in a classroom setting or at home, the WeiRan Mannequin Head is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to improve their hairstyling skills. Its realistic features and comprehensive accessory kit make it a must-have for both beginners and experienced stylists alike.